What did you not get tangled around? Hey, what's up everybody? Jesse, Southern Reels Fishing, out on the water actually today at the Hampton Roads Bridge Tunnel. This is the first time I have fished this body of water in my kayak, at least in almost exactly 2 years, which is hard to believe. This is one of the first bridges, actually this was the first bridge that I ever fished in the Virginia area. Actually the first spot that I ever fished in the Virginia area. I know the conditions just lined up good to come out here today. I'm out here with a friend of mine in the kayak as well, and we're just gonna fish around these pilings and see if we can catch some flounder. But anyway, we're going to get some jigs in the water and see what we can catch. So wish us luck. Pretty much just have a tsunami glass minnow on the bottom here and a teaser hook on the top. A couple, little add-on skirts and stuff. Gulp, of course. Just want to throw it down here around these pilings. Kind of figured the currents and stuff out. Figure what side I need to be on. See if I got enough weight with the currents. Luckily, the coefficient's pretty low today, so it should give us more of a window around these pilings to fish. Pretty much just drop it to the bottom like normal, give it a crank, try to prevent snagging, try to keep it just off the bottom. That's pretty much all there is to it. Every now and then check it, make sure you're still on the bottom. I pretty much will fish by the pilings and then I'll kind of come into the middle areas of these. Just give each one a good chance, First tail biter right there already. A lot of croaker out here, unfortunately, which will definitely give you a hard time with your gulp. Tail biters, I call them. Usually if I run into them, I just move right immediately. Don't even hang around those areas because they're just gonna eat you up. One croaker. Oh, that's a little flounder. Oh, well, there we go. At least it's the right kind of fish. Flounder. I think I'm gonna go up to a little bit more weight. I'm having a hard time telling what this one is doing. Got another pole back here, bridge. All right, folks, I changed it out to a 3/4 bucktail here, so I can kind of stay in touch with it a little bit better. The last minnow was, it was getting down, but it was just hard to tell what it was doing. Oh, there we go. Flounder, maybe? Is there flounder? Yep, flounder. Little baby. Getting bigger though, that's a good sign. Took the teaser. Okay. Oh, there we go. Wait, that's a decent flounder. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. I'll take you, buddy. Yeehaw, folks, that's what I come for right there. 18 and a half, nothing wrong with that. Little flounder, guys. See how much he weighs, this fancy new scale. 2 pounds, 5 ounces. All right, y'all, that was my first decent flounder of the day. He actually hit the white teaser. It's just the gulp white shrimp. So I don't pick up right where I left off pretty much. And just start jigging on along again. There we go. Feels like another decent one. Not a keeper. Still a decent sized flounder though. You gullet.
Not huge, but keeper at least. How big here?
Yeah, nice flounder. He's like 16 and a quarter, 16 and a half if I pinch it, but honestly, he's one of those that'll shrink when they get cold and get you in trouble, so he's going back in the water. Hey, buddy. Oh, hello, that one's fighting back, so. That one might be a keeper. What you got on this 15 and a half? Nope, too small. See you, buddy. All right, hey folks, we're having to head back in now. Actually, I got a dinner party tonight I have to go to, so only had probably 4 or 5 good hours to fish today, especially with the rain holding us up this morning. Caught some nice flounder out there. I got that one nice keeper in the bag. I had another one I probably could have kept, but being right at 16 and a half out of the water, I have learned that a lot of times when they get cold, they shrink a little bit. The last thing I want to do is get a ticket, so I let him go. And I'm just going to kind of fish our way back to the boat ramp, see if we catch anything else, and call it a day after that. And I don't know, figure out where I want to go tomorrow. So get up here and cast a little bit, see if we can get something.